Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check the watch model and OS version so you do not waste time on apps that won't run. Next, make sure the battery is above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi or pair to your phone via Bluetooth. This prevents interruptions. Once done, enable any app install or developer permissions in settings so installations are allowed. These steps let you move straight into downloading, without common permission or power failures slowing you down. Now, use either the watch's built-in app store or the phone's companion app to locate the game. Search exact title to avoid clones. Tap the game, confirm the version matches your watch OS, and press install. Watch the progress bar so you spot errors early. If the game isn't in the store, side load by transferring the APK or package from your phone, then use the Watch File Manager to open and install it. This hands-on method handles both standard and alternative installs. Finally, open the game and grant any runtime permissions it requests, such as storage or sensor access, because without them core features may fail. Then, adjust performance settings, lower graphics quality or disable background sync to keep gameplay smooth and battery use reasonable. If the game won't start, reboot the watch, clear the app cache, and reinstall. Make sure you have sufficient storage and the correct OS version. This quick troubleshooting resolves most installation or launch problems immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.